Welcome to my review of Aetna Virtual Health, a leading telehealth platform offering comprehensive virtual healthcare services. In this video, I'll walk you through the features, user interface, and my personal experience using Aetna's virtual care. Starting with the homepage, the design is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate. Users can quickly access services like video consultations, prescription refills, and health monitoring tools. The registration process is seamless. After creating an account, you're prompted to provide basic health information and select a preferred care provider. Once logged in, the dashboard presents a clear overview of your appointments, messages, and personalized health tips. Scheduling a virtual visit is straightforward. You can choose from available time slots, and Aetna ensures that licensed professionals are ready to assist you. During my virtual consultation, I found the video quality to be excellent, with minimal lag. The doctor was attentive, asking relevant questions and providing a clear diagnosis. Aetna also offers secure messaging for follow-up questions, which I found incredibly convenient. The platform integrates well with wearable devices, allowing users to sync their health data. This feature is particularly useful for tracking vitals like heart rate and blood pressure. Aetna's focus on privacy and security is evident, with robust data encryption and compliance with healthcare regulations. Another notable feature is the resource library, which includes educational materials on managing chronic conditions, mental health, and wellness tips. This adds value by empowering users with knowledge about their health. One of the most significant advantages of Aetna Virtual Health is its accessibility. Whether you're at home or traveling, you can access quality healthcare at your convenience. The platform supports various devices, from desktops to smartphones, ensuring flexibility for users. If you're considering Aetna Virtual Health, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable telehealth services. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and focus on patient care make it stand out among competitors. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips on telehealth platforms.